Alright, so now we have the blue iPhone 13 mini and blue iPhone 13. Honestly, the color I'm most excited to see, especially after the Sierra Blue being kind of let down in my opinion. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. iPhone 13 mini retails for $700 and the 13 is retailing for $800. Now outside here, the color looks really great. You can see the blue here on the iPhone, Apple logos, and just really nice blue out here. And let's see, yep, I like that blue, which shows a little bit brighter, but I really do like that color. So let's open up the iPhone 12 here. Now $800, so $100 more than the mini. And did I say 12? I caught myself. Yep, I mean 13. So $100 more than the mini, you get about 2 hours more battery life, but nothing else. Larger screen, which of course is nice, but the form factor of the mini is also a super cool thing. So honestly, either one is really great if you're choosing between the sizes. Let's go ahead and remove the screen film right here. Ooh, the blue here on the side looks incredible. Let's remove it here as well. And there we go. Now in the box, nothing special. Again, it does get repetitive because obviously you kind of know what's in here, but lightning to USB-C, and then just an Apple sticker, quick start guide, and a SIM eject tool. So nothing special there. Maybe one day we'll get something kind of special. It would be cool if the Apple stickers were color coded to the phone. But yeah, this is the blue phone. Super nice. Wow. It's kind of in the same vein as the pink. Like it's in the same, like that type of pink matches with this type of blue. You should be able to see the nice pink and the fact that it matches with the blue really nicely. But yeah, the pink's a little bit hard to kind of translate on video. It looks bright here. Maybe it doesn't. Maybe it's just my monitor, but very, very nice color here. Wow. This is probably the best blue color they've made. And if we bring the red, actually, look how cool this looks. Look at, they're both like really nice deep colors, but they just still look fantastic. Look at that. This blue one is probably the one I would actually get if I was getting the iPhone 13. It'd be this blue one. It just looks way too cool to not get. Holy cow. And I do have a slight bias towards this color just because I in general am a fan of blues, so that's worth noting. But I am also just in general a fan of kind of lighter tones as well, so I do really like the pink and the starlight. Now you can kind of see that sheen. It looks really good with the metallic side or aluminum side. That blue color is just super nice. Yep. Definitely Apple nailed it with all the colors here on the iPhone 13 and 13 mini. They just look super duper good. You can see the size difference there between the two, and you can see me holding it right here. How it fits there in the hand, right here. It makes this one look like a Max or something. And let's go ahead and actually turn on the other camera, show you the different angles, and you know, so you can see it here from slightly more of a distance if someone was looking at you, or if you saw somebody on the street walking with this color, how it would look. There we go. Like I'm texting, I'm calling on the phone, going back to texting with both phones here. Yeah, very nice color. Let's see how the color reacts here with the lighting. I'm being kind of silent because I'm just like sometimes admiring the design and the colors of this. Let's put them both together here, side by side. Let's move here in tandem so we can see it here without the reflections. Downward, side. Super cool color. Wow, if you like blue, just go and buy it. Basically, so far all these colors have been like, if you like that color generally, just buy the color of that phone. You don't have to check. Like I love blue. I got the Sierra Blue. I don't like it so far. So that was kind of disappointing, but these are just fantastic. Now let's go ahead and move on to a little case segment, show you some cases, show you some stuff here. Oh, everything's tipping over to the right here off camera. No. All right, so first off, MagSafe battery pack here. Mini with the blue, looks great with this white right here. Now we go here. Normal size. Yep, really nice. Now for the wallet, I think this should work, yeah. The saddle brown works with blue. It's kind of shifting around. Why is it shifting around? Oh, I placed it in the wrong place. There we go. It does also attract fingerprints, the same or very similar to the red. You can kind of see that there. I'll just run my fingers there and you should be able to just see some fingerprints. It's not too terrible, as I mentioned though. You can just take a wipe and clean it in like a second because it's glass. And there you go. That looks really good. Let's put some cases here on the blue. Most of what I have here are black, so you're gonna not get much of an idea here, but as you can see, it looks really, really nice. Let's see this one right here. This one has more of like metallic sides here, but it looks very similar to the other one. Oh, I think one that helps here is the clear case. Let's see here. All right, so I've totally misplaced the proper sized case for this, but oh well, I'll just show you this real quick so you can see the color with the MagSafe. I'll do a separate video on the proper case from Apple. This isn't from Apple, so it's just kind of like preliminary, showing you here how the white looks with the blue, but it looks really good. And here you can see the size difference versus the Pro's camera. And yeah, so really, really nice. Last but not least, a random case that I have here, a pink one from the pink phone. Boom. Doesn't really work, but we tried. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like blue, get this blue color. Is it called blue actually? It is called blue. Yeah, get this blue color. Just super, super nice. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.